Today's topic conditional probability, but first I will discuss the probability syllabus for the 2021 dedicated syllabus and the syllabus which will be included in the exam. The probability syllabus, deleted syllabus of probability for the 2021 mean and variance of random variable and second binomial distribution. These two topics deleted from the syllabus. Now, probability included conditional probability theorem, multiplication theorem on probability, total probability theorem, and Bayes theorem. These four topics will be included in syllabus for the year 2021. Exercise 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, and some questions of miscellaneous exercise will be in syllabus. Today I will teach you the conditional probability theorem. हम कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी थ्योरम को पढ़ेंगे। आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से समझेंगे। मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरा प्रयास करूंगा कि पॉइंट टू पॉइंट एक एक स्टेप आपको क्लियर करा सकूं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। द कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी थ्योरम। Further notation of conditional probability. What is notation of conditional probability? That is P of A by B. How will you read it? Probability of occurrence of A when B has already occurred. It is one statement. According to question, we will use the statement. First statement आपके पास है probability of occurrence of event A under the condition that B has already occurred. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट जो पहले मैं बोलूंगा प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ ए अंडर द गिवन कंडीशन बी। इस स्टेटमेंट का यूज करेंगे हम एक्सरसाइज 13.1 के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने में। मैं फिर से स्टेटमेंट बोलता हूँ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ ए अंडर द गिवन कंडीशन बी। और एक थर्ड स्टेटमेंट आएगा आपके पास probability of occurrence of event A when B is taken as sample space. Now what is the formula of probability of A by B? That is probability of occurrence of A under the given condition B. So P of A by B will be probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. But if we will use P of A by B formula, then there will be N of A intersection B divided by N of S, and there will be N of B divided by N of S. Also from the numerator and denominator, when you cancel N of S, then you will get this formula, that is probability of occurrence of A under the given condition B will be N of A intersection B divided by N of B. और बच्चों मैं एक चीज आपको सिलेबस जब बता रहा था बताना भूल गया। जो आपके पास वेटेज होगा कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी का, वेटेज ऑफ कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 1 मार्क और 2 मार्क। मैक्सिमम वेटेज आपके पास 4 मार्क्स का हो सकता है। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप अकॉर्डिंगली जैसे मैं भी आपको कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मैं उसका वेटेज बताऊंगा। मैक्सिमम वेटेज ऑफ कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी में भी 4 मार्क्स, लेकिन आप मानकर चलिए कि इसमें से 1 और 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन तो आना ही आना है। बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 13.1। एक्सरसाइज 13.1 given that question number 1, given that capital E and capital F are events such that probability of E equals to 0.6 and probability of F equals to 0.3 and probability of E intersection F equals to 0.2, find the probability of E by F and probability of F by E. Now first check the given values or given conditions. Probability of E is given, probability of F is given, and probability of intersection F is given. We want to find probability of E by F, that is probability of occurrence of E under the given condition F, or probability of occurrence of E when F has already occurred. Now what is the formula? P of E intersection F divided by P of F. You will write the values. जब आप values रखेंगे तो आप देखिए P of intersection F की वैल्यू 0.2 and P of F की वैल्यू आपके पास 0.3. So your answer will be 2 by 3. Now we will find P of F by E, that is probability of occurrence of F under the given condition E. So P of F I by E का फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा आपके पास? P of E intersection F divided by P of E. So it will be 0.2 divided by 0.6, that is 1 by 3. इस तरह से हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Now question number third. Because question number 2 is similar to question number 1, so you can easily solve it. ये आपका होमवर्क है, आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व कीजिए. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप मुझे मैसेज कीजिए, आई विल सॉल्व इट फॉर यू. Now read the question number third carefully. Probability of A equals to 0.8, probability of B equals to 0.5, and probability of P by A. That is probability of occurrence of P under the condition A equals to 0.4. Now find probability of A intersection B, probability of A by B, and probability of A union B. First write the given conditions. Probability of A equals to 0.8, probability of B equals to 0.5, and probability of B by A equals to 0.4. We want to find probability of A intersection B. Then first we will write the formula of P of B by A. Because P of B by A is given, it will be P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Now write the values of P of A intersection B. Now write the values of P of B by A and P of A. So it will be 0.4 into 0.8. So when you find, so P of A intersection B will be 0.32. It will be your answer. Now we want to find P of A by B. P of A by B equals to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So P of A intersection B 0.32 and P of B will be 0.5. Then you solve it, where you will get the answer 0.64. Now we want to find P of E union B. Then must remember the addition theorem formula. P of A union B will be equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So 0.8 plus 0.5 minus 0.32. So your answer will be 0.98. इस तरह से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड बच्चों ये बिल्कुल सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था.